a weeknight, quick, easy dinner. And in fact, I don't really have a recipe for this because this is just something that I make, and it's Jaden's all-time favorite dinner that I've ever made. And it's called broccoli chicken casserole.
Can I try a bite?
No, it's cold still. It's not cooked. So tonight I have my assistant Autumn. She's gonna be helping us to prepare this super easy dinner.
And I'm gonna eat this chicken. I think it's gonna be so yummy. It's really good. And this microphone is so soft.
Yes, okay, that's great. So the first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 350. And then I buy this Tyson oven roasted, already diced chicken breasts. However, their version of diced are these huge chunks. And I want them to be actually like bite-sized. So I put them in the microwave on defrost just long enough to make them not frozen anymore. And then I cut them into actual bite-sized pieces, and they go in a baking dish.
And I'm helping today, guys. I am Autumn Rose Mickey. Yeah. I am Autumn Rose Mickey. Ready?
Yeah, it's just chicken. Quietly. Okay, so now that we have the chicken cut up, assistant, can you just make that even? Just make it so that the chicken is covering the bottom. Okay, good job. Now we're gonna add some seasonings. So if you don't love seasonings, then you don't have to add any of this. You can add some of it.
I like seasoning.
Me too. I like seasoning. So we add lots of things. So we're gonna add some salt. Okay. All right. We're gonna add, Mommy's gonna do this part because this pepper comes out super fast and we do not wanna over pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Area is gonna be really garlicky. But we like garlic.
Yeah, we like it.
We're gonna add some of this Spike all-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add some poultry seasoning. I can't really. Oh. We've got like one little area there that's like our happy place. So I think maybe we'll give this a little mixy. Go ahead, mix it up. Yep, you're mixing nothing there, kid. Okay, great. All right, now that we have our chicken in an even layer.
Yep. So we're gonna do the next part now.
Yes, we are.
Only broccoli has a head.
So we're gonna put the broccoli in the microwave just long enough to thaw it.
Look at this poop.
Okay, shh. Let me explain it to our viewers. So the goal here is that we do not want it frozen because as it falls in the oven, a bunch of water is gonna come out and then it will make it super runny. So we just wanna make sure that we're thawing it out in the microwave. And then we're going to put the broccoli on top of our chicken. Like so. Alright. Right. Okay. Now now that we have the broccoli on top, should we add some more seasonings?
Yes.
Which one?
Let's do this one because that one's my favorite.
The garlic powder?
Yeah. Ka-ching.
Let's try to get it everywhere, not just one spot. Great. Yay.
No, this one.
We're gonna be real thirsty at dinner tonight.
Now this one.
No, okay, I think we're good. I think we're great. Okay, next step. It's loud.
Can I do it?
Is you get
Can I
a can of cream of mushroom soup.
Can I
If,
see?
just give me one sec, okay? Calm down. ADHD. So we like to have ours very creamy. So I get the family size can. If you want it less creamy, you can get a smaller size can. It's totally up to you.
3 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon or 4 tablespoons or 10 tablespoons.
Right.
That's
Because
what
they
happens.
can do whatever they want.
Yep,
right?
they can do whatever they want to do.
Yep. So then to
I
that,
do that?
you're gonna stir it.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
to the cream of mushroom soup, we're gonna add
Mayonnaise!
gotta be Dukes. And just a glob.
A mayonnaise.
And then my assistant is gonna mix that up.
And what else?
That's all that goes in that bowl. It's just the mayonnaise in the soup.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Oh God, guys! Oh my! I guess this is gonna be it. Okay, now looks good.
Looks great.
If you want to try it,
You want a burger?
eat a burger.
You want some French fries?
Yes.
Okay. So now that we have this mixed, I'm gonna dump it on top, and then you're gonna
I'll do it.
hold on. I'm gonna dump it, and then you're gonna take the spoon and smooth it over top. So we're gonna just dumpy. Just smooth it over the top of that broccoli. Just gonna get the rest out of this bowl.
Sounds yummy.
The edge. It is chicken casserole.
But what else are we gonna do?
I'm gonna show you here in just a second.
Okay.
All right. So now that we have our chicken layer, our broccoli layer, and our creamy layer, we're
We're
gonna.
gonna add this on there.
We are gonna take some handfuls of cheese, and we're just gonna sprinkle the cheese. Great, that's great. Let's try to put it all over. And again, you can put as much or as little, but I would prefer it go in the pot and not on the floor if possible. Well, you can't, okay, well. All right, that's great. Autumn, that's great. That's great. Okay. Well. Cooking with kids. Okay, so now we have our cheese layer. And lastly, we're gonna take a box of stovetop stuffing, and you can get any flavor you want. And here's my trick to this. Just give me 1 second. My trick to this is the seasoning to the stuffing always falls to the bottom. So I always try to flip it upside down and give it a good shake. And then,
I'll do it.
well, honey, it has to be.
What can I do?
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Taste it. It's like croutons. You can taste it. Make sure you get that seasoning at the bottom of that bag. Very helpful. Okay, so now that my whole entire kitchen is a complete wreck, we have prepped our casserole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on a cookie sheet in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Welcome back. We are about to take our casserole out of the oven. I did give it a little bit more time, so I gave it probably about 40 minutes just because my chicken and my broccoli was still pretty cold. So what you want is to see bubbles coming up. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not, but you want to be able to see bubbles at the bottom coming up from all over, and that's kind of your cue that it's done. So here we have it, folks. Gonna put some of this low. That giant piece of broccoli. It smells really, really good. Going to burn my mouth. Okay, it's got to cool down a little bit before you can try it. So here's a good bite that's got everything on it. We got some broccoli, some chicken, some stuffing, some cheese.
Mom, can I just have the chicken?
It's delicious. It checks all the boxes. You got your meat, you got your veggie, you got your dairy, you got your graham, all in one.
And you got your poop.
You've got that too. All in one bowl. If you enjoyed watching me and my assistant tonight, what should they do?
Subscribe to Oopy's Kitchen.
That's right. Click the like button.
I love you guys. Bye bye.